Hello guys, I'm Christian Lindy Vivana and I'm here to make my literary criticism in the story of Troy in our English. First of all, this is the description of the characters. Zeus, the highest above all deities. Thetis, the minor goddess of water and the mother of Achilles. Peleus, the mortal husband of Thetis and the father of Achilles. Ares, goddess of mischief, who threw a golden apple in the middle of the feast. Hera, wife of Zeus. Athena, goddess of wisdom. Aphrodite, goddess of beauty, was chosen by Prince Paris to receive the golden apple in exchange for the most beautiful woman in the world, which is Helen, the son of Menelaus. Paris, brother of Hector, son of King Priam, a Trojan warrior, and the one who abducted Helen from her husband, King Menelaus of Sparta, while having a peace celebration on both Sparta and Troy. Helen, wife of Menelaus, the reason why the peace order of both Sparta and Troy broke again because of her decision to come along with Paris. The Prince of Troy, Prince of Troy. Hector, also a Prince of Troy as well as the greatest Trojan warrior in par. With Achilles, the greatest warrior of Greeks. Achilles, the bravest and toughest warrior of the Greeks, and he's the one who killed Hector, but in the end he is suddenly killed by Paris. Briseis, cousin of Hector and Paris as well as the servant of Apollo. She is also the love interest of Achilles. King Priam, king of Troy, father of Hector and Paris, a faithful believer of Apollo. Agamemnon, the commander-in-chief of the Greek army. Patroclus, student of Achilles and his cousin, the reason why Achilles best anger and killed Hector, because Hector killed Patroclus, that's why Achilles make anger. And that's the description of the characters. And for the themes, observe the pride, which is Achilles fight for the justice of his cousin because cousin killed without what you call this one, without in bad way, because of his like biasing. And next is the thing is the love. Because of love, they make trouble. That's why they are fighting because of Helen, which is steal by Paris to Menelaus. That's why they have a war about the girl, which is Helen. And for the settings of the Troy, observe that Mount Olympus is the place where all the great warriors are fighting, and this is also the place where is Zeus shelter, like that, the house of Zeus. And the things wait. Here's the thing. And for the last things I observe is the in revenge because what I said, because of killed by Hector killed his cousin. Achilles was very angry and he don't care who is hurting if he angry, like that. And that's my themes. And I like the story because one is the one-on-one battle between Achilles and Hector, because they're so great in fighting, like that. But I'm sad because Hector was killed by Achilles. But it's okay because Hector have done wrong to Achilles. That's why it's the like punishment of Hector. And I like also the part when Achilles is tied to the dead body, the corpse of Hector, and he, what we call this one, he 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 drive around the front of the castle of Troy, and she made like thank you. That's all.